Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have Python and your editor. Now start fixing indentation. First, show whitespace characters so you can see tabs versus spaces. Once visible, convert all indentation to spaces, aim for 4 spaces per level, because Python treats tabs and spaces differently. Run Python mpy compile on the file to catch the exact line number. If the error points to a blank line, inspect the previous block for mismatched indents. Make the first change now, and rerun the compiler to confirm progress. Now you diagnose deeper causes: mixed tabs and spaces, inconsistent block levels, or accidental deadent. Search the file for tab characters or lines whose leading whitespace length doesn't match the surrounding block. Replace tabs with 4 spaces, or run your editor's auto-format /indent feature to normalize the file. Once done, inspect function and loop blocks to ensure every nested line is exactly 1 indent level deeper. Make sure continuation lines align with the opening delimiter, or use a hanging indent consistently. Finish by running the script and fixing the last reported locations. If the error persists, apply a linter or a formatter like black to enforce consistent 4-space indentation automatically. Make sure multi-line statements and nested structures follow the same pattern. As a key troubleshooting tip, open the file in a plain text editor that shows hidden characters. It often reveals stray tabs or non-breaking spaces. If you still see an indentation error, retype the surrounding block and rerun the compiler to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.